everybody, it's Kathy Champion with Random Acts of Crafting, and I'm going to do an unboxing today. I got my E-Club kit in the mail today, so I contacted Miss Edith Wray, and I asked her if I could do an unboxing of her stamp set. I mean, not her stamp set, but her E-Club kit. And she told me yes, and also wanted me to share some things with y'all, which I will do as we go on. Well, the club kit comes in this cute little box, and when you open it up, of course, this is trash, but as crafters, we don't trash anything. This is a really nice cardboard box. I would definitely keep this and use it as chipboard. So that's just me. If you are on a tight budget and you don't have the money to buy the heavy-duty chipboard that we make our albums and things out of, boxes like this are wonderful. So that's another little thing that you get. It comes in this beautiful little zipper bag. Now these bags can be used for a lot of things. You can store your crafts in it, you can put your markers, your stamp sets, whatever you need to store. I am going to slide out everything that came in this kit, and then we're going to go through it together. I was so excited. And look at this. We're gonna go through this loose stuff first because I am excited. I got a whole roll of washi tape that coordinates with the paper. Look at these flowers. I'm going to move this over to the side so I can kind of spotlight these beautiful, beautiful flowers. These are gorgeous. And we also got some leaves too. Here's one of the leaves, but there's more leaves in there than that. Let me see if I got everything out of there. Maybe it's stuck in between the paper or something, because I know there's more leaves. Let's go ahead and open this little goodie bag. Maybe I put my leaves in here. I did open it up earlier because I could not wait to see what was in it. Yes, here's the leaves. So let's put all of this stuff over. Look at this beautiful, delicate piece of ribbon. A beautiful piece of lace. There's our leaves that I was talking about that go so pretty with these flowers. Oh, they're just so pretty. I'll turn these over. But you can see how beautiful these flowers would be with showcasing these leaves with them. I love these little flowers. Aren't they adorable? And let's move this over here. Now also in here we got these little brads, and these are adorable. I love butterflies, and look at those. They're little brads, so you can push them in and clasp them, and they would hold onto your card, and they are adorable. You get 3 of those. We got some bling, because you know it would not be an E-kit without some bling. So we have some little jewel dots, and some of them have got the sparkly on it. They are so cute. We got this little ephemera that are just little tags and stuff that you can use. There's a beautiful star, not a starfish. I am so sorry. That is a seahorse. Evidently, I don't live under the ocean, but we got 2 little hearts, and there's a flamingo. It's all very tropical, and I'll show you the paper pack in a minute, and you'll see that all of this will coordinate beautifully with it. There is a beautiful rose, and it's got the foil on it, and it is just lovely. Now there's a seashell. We get another flamingo, a smaller one, and here is a larger rose with that gold foil leaves on it. This is gorgeous. I think Edith outdid herself with the kit this time. She did change things up a little bit, and I love the changes. There's a little thing that says Paradise. So I'm going to lay this all over here so that I can finish showing you the other goodies, and I am going to just move all of my flowers to the side, and my little dots and my butterflies. I want it, and all of that stuff came in this cute little bag. I thought this bag could easily be cut down and embossed or whatever and used for something else, a card front or whatever. Like I said, there is no trash in crafting. Now this paper pack is called the Golden Coast, and it is by Prima. Prima makes beautiful, beautiful paper. And let me get a utility knife, and I am going to cut this open if I can find something to cut it with. And of course, when you're trying to find something, it's never in reach. This is one of my little pen blade knives, so I'm gonna go right up under here, and this is the way I open all of my paper packs, just to make sure I don't cut my paper. I just slide that knife right up underneath that cover and cut that loose. And I usually peel this back, the piece that's stuck to the side, so that it doesn't tear my paper. I don't care if this back piece gets torn a little bit, but I don't want to tear my pages. So as you can see, I'm going to peel these back because I can't wait to show you this beautiful paper. I know it's gorgeous because I have never seen any Prima paper that was not beautiful. So we're going to open it up like this, and there's going to be, like, I think 2 or 3 sheets of each. And this is a 6x6 paper pad. These little cut aparts are gorgeous, and look at this on the back. I'm going to try to get this over so you can see both of it. Isn't that pretty? And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of each design, which is great. Here's another one that you could use on an album or the front of a card, or you could cut this up into pieces. I mean, you've got enough of it. Look at that. That is so pretty. And there's 5 of those. And look at this. They got the seahorses and the roses and the shells. And the roses have a shell on them. Just beautiful paper. Look at the sailboats. Oh, I can see so many wonderful things happening with this pack of paper. And that's another page like the other one where you can actually cut these apart, or you can use this on the front. You could actually cut it in half and use half on something. I love that balloon. That is gorgeous. I may have to fussy cut some of this. Look at this. I love stripes, and these colors are just so up my alley. I love it. Like I said, thank you so much, Edith. This is wonderful. And there's, oh, look at that. I love the pink and those florals together. That green and pink is gorgeous. I used to not be such a fan of green, but something has changed in my thinking, and now I love it. Okay, now we're back to this little page, and look at that, island vibes. Feeling golden. Well, I think I'm feeling golden. Salty but sweet. Don't we love salty and sweet? I love this paper. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Edith, you outdid yourself, girl. I am in love with that paper pack. We also have some little journaling cards. And Edith does such a beautiful job of putting these kits together. And I just want to thank her so much for all the work that she does. Look at, there's that balloon. I love this. These could make fronts to your cards by themselves. Look at that. Good vibes, good tides. Oh, feeling golden. I find paradise with you. Paradise found. Is that not beautiful? Oh, look at the crab. I love it. Oh my goodness, so pretty. And these little journaling cards are so good. You can use them as journaling. These would make in a mini album a beautiful waterfall, the cascading waterfall for your pictures. And you could also use some of them for journaling. Dream. Isn't that pretty with that ombre effect going down? I love that. And look at this. Oh, so pretty. I am in heaven. And we also have a May May Made It stamp set. These are exclusive for the e-kits, and they will be available, whatever was left over. May May will put them in her store, so they will be for sale there. But you get this, you get a May May stamp set, and it is the smaller stamp set. This is the 4 by 4.5, but they are so pretty. Look at the detail in that shell. Look at that coral and the fish. Look at the jellyfish, a starfish, and a shell. I love it. I just can't wait to color these. I may have to stamp those tonight and color them up just to see what they look like. I don't know if y'all do that when you get your a new stamp set, but I have to stamp them out and see what they look like. Now you also get, these are, and I'm sure that she does this for shipping purposes, but these are full 12 by 12 sheets cut in half. And there's one, 1.5, and another 1.5. So you get 2.5, is that right? Let me go back. That's one, you actually get 3 if you put them all together. It's 3 12 by 12 sheets because you get 3 of these and 3 of these. And look at these colors. They're going to coordinate so well with the paper in this pack. I could not be happier. These club kits are awesome, and it's also a good way to help you build your stash if you are just starting out. I encourage you that go over and join her e-club kit of the month. You will not be disappointed. You will be thrilled to death, and I believe the cost on these are $34.99 or $35. Shipping is included in that price, so you do not have to pay shipping. They are mailed out the first of the month, so if you signed up today, you would get your first club kit on August. She usually ships them out like around the 3rd, 4th, or 5th, and I got mine today, so that tells you what the shipping process would be. Now I live in North Carolina and Edith is in Alabama, so it didn't have to come quite so far, but I'm sure that the shipping varies as to where it goes, but nevertheless, within, I would say, 3 to 5 or 6 days, you would have it. Now, she did let me know that she has 6 of these, of what you saw, the July kit, still available for sale. It's a one-time purchase on her store, and you can find her site, and I will link it also in the bottom of this video. Just click on the Show More, and it is stampbookingwithme.com. And you can go over to her store and you can pick up one of these kits today, but you have to hurry because she only has 6 left, and that's as of the time that I'm filming this video. So this video is being filmed about 3:30 Monday afternoon on July the 8th. So I am sure that she may sell out or not have 8 by the time I publish this. But I'm hoping to get this up tonight before I go to bed. But anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that if you join the Kit Club of the Month, oh, also I want to let you know that there's no obligation. You can join for a month and cancel. You're not obligated for a long period of time. If you wanted to just sign up for a couple of months, you can do that, 1 month, or if you want to sign up and be, you just cancel whenever you want to. And then you can also reactivate it at any time. Also, for being a Club Kit member, you get a discount code to use in her store. So you also get a 15% off of most items in her store by being an eClub Kit member. So I think I gave you all the information. If I didn't, then head over to her website. Like I said, it is www.scrapbookingwithme.com, and you will find the full details there, and you can also pick up this July kit. Thanks so much for tuning in. Once again, God bless you. Tell someone you love them, and I love all of y'all. See you soon. Bye-bye.